raffle basket. So it's got your very own tractor along with a cute little stuffed pig. This is a birdhouse that you can actually put together with the awesome tool belt set that you have. A Cows Can You Dr. Seuss book, along with your farm animals that can go with your tractor, and then you get a really cute storage basket. It comes with a kid-size apron plus a matching chef hat. You get your very own cutting board, kid-friendly knives, scissors, and other really cool kitchen gadgets, some cookie cutters. It comes with Bluey Bingo's restaurant cookbook, so it has actual recipes in that cookbook. That's really cool, off Bluey Bingo. And it also comes with some really delicious blueberry muffin mix. And you get to keep the awesome mixing bowl. And here we have our young gardener basket. So everything is super kid size. You get some gardening gloves, a gardening basket, plus all of your tools, a gardening apron, even some toys to plant your own flower garden with, a book about gardens, seeds that you can put in this really awesome root viewer and watch the roots actually grow in the soil. You get your own watering can and all kinds of things that you can discover bugs with. So make sure that you're registered for our Meet Your Farmer open house on Saturday, October 12th from 12 to 4. We've got a bunch of activities that the kids can participate in and win raffle tickets so they can enter to be a young farmer, a young chef, or a young gardener. We'll see you guys on October 12th.